to fix the problem completely. Final fix, exact working steps. 1. Fully reset the Shopify app, fixes 90% cases. Android, go to Settings, Apps, Shopify. Tap Storage, tap Clear Cache, tap Clear Data, restart your phone, open the app and log in again. iPhone, open Shopify app, go to Account Settings, Clear Local Data, or Reset Sessions on next launch. If not available, delete the app, reinstall. NEC 2. Switch your network, most common real cause. Shopify store selection often fails due to a blocked or unstable network. Try these in order. Turn Wi-Fi off, use mobile data or connect to another Wi-Fi, or turn on a VPN for 1 minute, then try again. If it works after switching networks, your main network was blocking Shopify. 3. Log in through browser first. Important. 1. Open Chrome Safari. 2. Go to shopify.com/login. 3. Log in with your email and password. 4. Once inside, open the Shopify app again. 5. The store should now appear and load normally. This forces your account session to refresh. 4. Confirm you're logging into the correct store. Make sure you're using the same email that the store owner added. You didn't accidentally log into a different Shopify account. Your store is still active, not paused, closed. If you're a staff member, the store owner might need to re-enable your permissions. Shatter 5. Remove old Shopify data from your phone. Sometimes old data blocks store selection. Do this. Delete the app, restart your device, reinstall the app, log in again. This wipes corrupted files. 6. Sync device time and date Shopify app fails if your phone's time is incorrect. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, set automatically restart phone, try again. 7. Try logging in with mobile hotspot. Turn on hotspot from another phone, connect your device, open Shopify app, select store. If it works, your home office connection is the issue. After these steps, your